Okay, so what we have, here's our two hives that we split exactly a week ago. The one on the left was the original top half, the one on the right is the original bottom half. And today we've found there is a huge swarm. I don't know if you can see all that flickering on the iPad, but all that flickering is swarming. Heaps and heaps and heaps of bees swarming all in this area. You can see over there. You see them here. And they're particularly swarming around the right-hand hive. So we're just curious about what's going on and why they would be swarming. The left-hand hive seems to be almost normal activity, probably lots of bees out, but pretty normal activity. It's the right-hand hive. We don't see any signs of bees fighting. There's no sort of grappling or anything like that. No signs of bees fighting at all. Just this swarming.